Taylor Glock.
Young man on the track.
We finna cook this shit up right now. Listen. Put him on the knees, yeah, he don't want the flow. Smoking that gas, yeah, he don't want the toe. Put him through his knees, yeah, he don't want the float. ET outside, yeah, he don't want the boat. Went to the shoe and shot him in the bull. I'ma put him in the key, he don't want the tool. Shot his neck up, yeah, he don't want the blue. I see a red balloon flying in the tool. Red tool and neck tool, I'ma put him down. He don't want the 2-4, I'ma shoot him down. Flexing with my ones, yeah, he don't want to bound. I'ma beat his ass up, he don't want the town. Put him in the mulch, he don't want to fucking bound. I'ma shoot him down, yeah, he don't want to found. Drop him to his knees, yeah, he don't want the 4. 4 for 4 shots, yeah, he don't want the gut. Shoot him in his gut, yeah, he don't want to punch. I put him through his knees, yeah, he don't want to touch. I did the dash, yeah, he gon' buckle right. I'ma buckle left, I'ma shoot him out the kite. I put him through his knees, yeah, he don't want to spike. I shot him 3 times, yeah, he don't want to kite. Gang, Taylor Glock back out here, y'all already know. He gotta get to the studio shit.